Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to cast on using the thumb method. The yarn I'm using is called Rasta and it's super chunky, and I'm going to use a 10mm to do the cast on. I'm going to show you how to measure the length of your tail. An easy way to measure the length of your tail. We are going to make 10 stitches. So what you do is you leave a small tail like this, like maybe 4 inches, and then you put the yarn on your needle, and then you wrap your yarn. We're going to make 10 stitches, so we're going to wrap our yarn 10 times on the needle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you hold there, then you remove your needle. So this is the yarn that you are going to have for your as your tail. Yeah, so here you make your slip knot. Okay, and then you insert your needle. So just make sure that your tail is on the front and the working yarn is at the back. Okay, so with your left hand you hold this the tail, you hold it like this, and then you wrap your yarn around the thumb, then you insert your needle in there, and then you hold your needle with the left hand, and then you use your right hand to wrap your yarn around the needle, and then you pull a loop. Okay, I'll do it one more time. Using your left hand, hold your yarn like this, wrap your yarn around the thumb, insert your needle in there, hold the needle with your left hand. Using your right hand, take the working yarn, wrap the yarn around the needle, and then pull a loop. So I'm going to show you a few more times. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you again soon.